Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Shaka Hislop will be one of the pundits for ESPN. So we're going to talk about the match where Arsenal played yesterday against Sheffield United. So you got to talk, say Arsenal played the best football in the league because see the way that they blow team out of the waters. See the way that they score goals are plenty. In the past, this same Shaka Hislop, now he follow attack Raya, follow attack Kai Havertz, follow attack the results, follow attack so many of our players. Today now he's singing their praises. That is one thing about football punditry. Opinions are not static, they are always dynamic. When player they do badly, if you talk about the player, but when that player don't turn the tide, when they play very well, then the onus is left for you, is on you to come outside and say the player is doing well. That is why I did very happy. Say in don't come outside, they praise the Arsenal side. In fact, this title race is going to go down the wire. So all eyes will be on what is going to be happening next week. Alright, so away from that, so Arsenal don't beat Sheffield United 6-0 at the Bramall Lane. Get so many goal scorers. Ben White score, Kai Havertz score, Odegaard score. Like the goals were own goal follow involved. Like goals were so much. Arsenal used the same lineup that is against the, I think it was Burnley, unchanged lineup. If you get to the against the last match. So we did very well. Now that Newcastle lineup, same thing. They use Gabriel Jesus came back from bench. Partey self come back. Even though if you watch Partey game yesterday, you know saying they match rusty. Obviously, it's been long he played, so instead need time to get into the groove. So, but Arsenal winning 6-0, fantastically well, clean sheets. Like we did what we wanted. 15 minutes, you don't give them back. No wasting time, because I said it that at least the first 20 minutes, Moko score, but once you don't score one, the floodgates will remain open. And in fact, we could have even scored a much earlier goal. Let's say one hit back. By the end of the day, I did very happy. Now on individual performances, look at the performances of Kai Havertz. Alpha, those who they say Kai Havertz, na mistake, na do this, na do that. Una still share that opinion, because remember, say opinions are not static, opinions are dynamic. If you still keep the same opinion where you get since the beginning of the season, that means you don't have a critical thinking mind, because opinions not supposed to stay one place. As things they evolve, you go to follow they evolve. That's why you see all these pundits say that they change their mouth based on the way things they evolutionize. So that's the way it is. So Kai Havertz, if you are not aware, in his last 3 games, he don't score 3 goals. In his last 3 games, he don't score 3 goals and give like 2 assists. Last 3 games, Kai Havertz don't get 10 goal contributions for Arsenal this season. He has scored 7 goals and given 3 assists. Martinelli has 10 goal contributions, has scored 6 goals, giving 4 assists. Declan Rice has 10 goal contributions for the first time in his career. In fact, in the last 2 seasons for West Ham, now he get 10 goal contributions. But in maiden season for Arsenal, he don't get 10 goal contributions, which means like 3 or more players at Arsenal have double digits in goal contributions, goal and assists combined together. And league never finish. League still remain like 11 games for us. Look at the performances of David Raya. Himself, they command his own backline. Some people go argue say he didn't really have a lot to do against this Sheffield United side. Well, I agree with you, but the guy has a commanding presence. He's doing very like, I don't know about you now, but truth be told, if Raya, like ball they with Raya, and they get this calm sense of belonging, like I did very relaxed. I know the panic, I know the fear, say the way teams they press us, say maybe they'll collect off. No, just they very calm. I don't know about you now, but the guy they give me this calmness. Yes. Then who else are we going to talk about? Martinelli did quite well. Declan Rice, oh my god, that guy also scored a beautiful goal. The team effort. Look at that assist where Kai Havertz give Ben White. Ben White bomber. Ben White say no even see say the ball don't enter the back of the net. Then you hear when the fans shout, whoa, say himself come shout, say come celebrate. Now onto the next game. Do you know that Ryan no go play based on saying a loan collect am from Brentford, and the loan law stipulates that once a parents club give you somebody, the person no go fit play against them. That's so the law be. Now at the end of the season, now we go pay them their money, we go complete the deal. So now Ramsey go play. That was why yesterday for the full-time analysis show, I was complaining of his match rustiness. And it's normal for me to, just like as we look, Thomas Partey say he was match rusty. Obviously, he make some kind of mistake tackles, make some kind of mispass. Like it was obvious for all to see. So Ramsey like the argument people they argue about Ramsey and Raya. Make I tell you for free, the thing will really hook Ramsey for neck. Now the interview he make, he use the mouth talk say he no fit concentrate in a match of football for 90 minutes. That is why they look bad. That is why they sing with fans. That is why they banter fans. Now he use the mouth talk am. Say I cannot. If you ask me to concentrate, focus for 90 minutes, I can't do that. So imagine you are Arteta and you are hearing your number one goalkeeper telling you say, Baba, me I don't feel concentrate for 90 minutes. So are you going to be blaming Arteta when they put Raya ahead of him? Like, make it make sense. Answer. Tell me for the comment section. Imagine you are Arteta and you are seeing your number one goalkeeper telling you that, Baba, me I don't feel concentrate for 90 minutes. You get? So what you go do as a manager? Will you sweep it under the carpet, or you look for somebody that can concentrate for 90 minutes and give you the best chance of winning the league? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me say we hate Ramsey. He's good, but normal you will fear say this one when they match rusty, make it no go day against them. But all the same, wish him all the best of luck against Brentford. Alright, so away from that, so the way Arsenal they press and recover the ball is how we did it at Barcelona back then. Now, who is saying this? Now, Thierry Henry, no other than Thierry Henry, the Arsenal legend. So, back when they talk about the way we Arsenal they press, he was in the studio with Jimmy Carragher and one other person where they analyze how Arsenal take play their game. So you can do of the opinion say Arsenal are a pressing monster, they are a pressing machine. The way they press, nobody presses like that. And I saw people say they evident for all to see. Alright, at the same time, Henry got to talk to you while they have changed his setup after 15 minutes to a back 5. Because when you watch the match, after 15 minutes, now back 4, 9 Sheffield United they use more. When they come collect 3, back. They say no, we will continue like this. It's going to be a brutality. Now they can't change their shape into a back 5. Even with the back 5, Arsenal still unlock them. Go score plenty goals, because Henry they say with the way Arsenal play, if you are playing a back 4 against them, they will slice you like knife on bread. So for that reason, that is why teams set up against us with back 5-4-1. If possible, all the 10 men behind the ball, because the way Arsenal they play now, they create chances for fun and they score for fun. Now moving on, for those who know they are aware, Arsenal don't outscore both Man City and both Liverpool. In fact, we don't score 4 more goals than Liverpool. You get, not to talk of Man City. Then when it comes to goal difference, we get 6 goals ahead of Liverpool. We can get 10 goals ahead of Man City. So anyhow we look at, Arsenal are the best attacking side in the league. Arsenal are the best defensive. Like so many metrics we do with us. And I go say tell one with this quacker. We talk about the Arsenal side. Alright, before then, so Fabrizio Romano self come and say 5 goals in 30 minutes. 31 goals in the last 7 games, and we concede just 3. Arsenal are in machine form, because how do you score 31 goals and concede just 3 in 7 games? Like for this 2024, we don't win all our 7 games, like with the hot like fire. And I will be team where they talk say we don't get striker. If we can't get striker, high for B. Now is when we blow teams with bazooka. Well, it is what it is. I just they happen what they happen for Arsenal. So till now, to the end of the season, we'll just try all our possible best and see where the team will take us. Alright, so Chris Wilder will be Sheffield United coach. Instead of come as based on say Arsenal knocked them 6-0, so you don't come to them as a surprise, because Arsenal have tremendous players. If they mention Kai Havertz, Odegaard, Saka, Martinelli, Declan Rice, these guys are household names. Because say Arsenal even did this to teams that are even better than them. Not to talk of them with the language at the bottom of the table. And remember yesterday, I been telling I thought say this Sheffield United team in the whole season they don't score like 22 goals. For their home, in 13 games they score about 12 goals. So they are not really strong offensively. Now where you come add the numerous injuries where they come get, they don't really have anything to do now. So Arsenal expectedly they as we were supposed to beat them. Get, because I tell Nato say the question is not about whether Arsenal will win. The question is about the goal margin. How many goals we go score for here? I told you guys before the show started, and at the end of the day, That's all the team materialized, and kudos to Oga Joka, we predict 6-0 and he ended 6-0. So I'll be keenly interested to see what Oga Joka will talk for the match we will play against Brentford and the match we will play against Man City. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano can publish, say Aston Villa don't make a loss of about £119.6 million for the 2022-2023 season, and this is one of the reasons why they will need to sell players in the summer. You get to offset their balance, to balance their books before they'll contender the 2023-2024 financial reports to the FA, so that they no go enter the same pot of soup where Everton did. So more they kill interested in seeing what will happen at the end of the season. Alright, so Squawker come and talk say Arsenal are the team with the most goals scored. Arsenal are the team with the most clean sheets. Arsenal have the fewest goals conceded. Arsenal have the fewest shots on target faced. Arsenal have created, Arteta has created a monster with the way in the setup in team. In fact, we know the smile. For the press conference where they interview Odegaard, then Henry and Jamie Carragher come ask and say, this Dubai where una go? What you gonna go do for that place? Like, you need to tell us the secret, because ever since una come back, una don't turn to a different beast, like beast mode. Now una activate. So what if the secret? Odegaard just laugh. You say nothing to say. The truth be say we be don't tire. So we needed that break to go and reset things, change our orientation. As we went there, chop a lot of suya, had fun, carry families go. So obviously when they come back, they go there in a very, very good shape to fire. Even Carragher come they ask and say, Odegaard, Martin, Alpha, say I don't see the club photographer now. What this up? I will be a boss laugh. Henry they laugh. Odegaard can say, I expect you to ask me that thing now. Say, I dey fear now. Make I no go do. I mean I no go come for me again. Now I'll be celebration police that everybody just laugh. Well, it is what it is. I just like the just normal back and forth. At the end of the day, Carragher concedes say this Arsenal they are a very, very good side, very dangerous. They are very, very good, and this title race is going to be very, very interesting. And you know what makes it more interesting? The next match against Brentford, we go first play before Man City and Liverpool, so all eyes will be on us. Once we win, we go add more pressure. Once we win, we are going top straight. We'll top the league. So we can't wait for waiting Man City and Liverpool. We go play. All our prayer and make them play draw. Once they settle for a draw, game on. Alright, so Havertz's goal when score for the Sheffield United match is the goal number 150,000 for the EPL. So it don't enter the history books. Because I don't even know. I just say I'm this morning when I do research. So congratulations to Havertz as he has turned to a history maker. Alright, the EPL self come aside for their Twitter page, come post all the games where Arsenal don't play this season, where they knock people like 5-0, 6-0, 3-1, 4 this one, that one. Baba don't say Arsenal are cooking. So what are they cooking? Fried rice and chicken with ofen salad and amala. That is they cook for that place. At the end of the day, we will dine and wine when we don't win the league. So now our own prayer be that. We'll just watch. We'll just keep this momentum. Again, for this stage we did now last season, we don't did like 5 points behind. Last season, this stage we did now, according to what the commentators were saying. But this is what it is. This season and last season will be the same. Alright, for those who know they are aware, so David Raya now they lead the Golden Glove race with 9 clean sheets in the league. 9 get the most clean sheets so far. And this is the goalkeeper where people they castigate. Instead of it to they praise them for what they do now as our own. You get Raya and our own, Ramsey and our own. Support the two of them. Forget all those I like this one, I don't like this one. This one is better. Support the two of them. Because the coach don't make a choice, you say don't make a choice. Not we want to talk from that to tomorrow, we go make Ramsey become number 1. So just support them. At the end of the season, if Ramsey don't find square root, which I expect him to do, because it's not going to make sense being there for the shadow of Raya. Once he leaves, then everybody will get no choice than to rally around Raya. Since maybe you are not seeing the good things he's doing, probably because of the love you have for Ramsdale has clouded your judgment. Because it is normal, it happens. Love can do that to people. Yeah, so let's just proceed. Alright, so Arteta when they give updates on what happened to Bukayo Saka and Martinelli. So you got to say Martinelli own a cut, like a small cut wound for his leg. So that one will be like saying a big injury and make the thing just heal or stop to the pain. Then Saka own business, Saka he feel sick. They say a fever. So that's why they just come out and like, but I thought they talk yesterday say something must be wrong with Bukayo Saka for Arteta to actually bring him out. So now sickness when he's sick, nothing that serious. I believe saying will recover on time at least to play FC Porto. Thank God say Fabio Vieira don't come back. He also featured yesterday, play for that Saka role, and he did his best. Because he just come back after a long while from his groin injury. I think that even more updates on Tomiyasu. Say the guy is very, very close. He done the train on top of grass. So anytime soon, we are expecting to have a full fit squad. It will make me very, very happy. Now one by one, they don't come back. Now just think back Tomiyasu. Now I believe say remain. Once they don't 100% fit, I'm sure they don't get a clean bill of health and a clean squad to fire on all cylinders and pursue the Champions League and the EPL. Let's see how this things will unfold. Alright, so Ben White also called the talk, say when you go a few goals up, early, very, very early, it takes the pressure off. You get, because whether we like it or yes, teams are usually facing pressure when they play, because everybody don't play, all eyes are on you, everybody is watching. So 15 minutes back, everybody will relax. Okay, we don't get to 2-1. Let's just see whether we'll score more goals. Can't say him, no really they score much, you get. But that is why the goal when scored, they really sweet in belly. So that's why they're very, very happy. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the thumbnail. Click and subscribe, get all that Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll get out.